Welcome to 555 Cooking Ideas, your friendly place for simple and delicious recipes from around the world. Today I will show you how to make a juicy, flavorful, and easy homemade shawarma step by step. Shawarma is a popular Middle Eastern street food loved all around the world. Shawarma can be made with chicken, meat, or vegetables. Slice the chicken into thin strips so it cooks quickly and evenly. For a vegetarian version, you can use mushrooms or mixed vegetables. Now we prepare the shawarma marinade. Add yogurt to a mixing bowl. Chop a few cloves of garlic. Add the garlic into the yogurt. Add fresh lemon juice for brightness. Shawarma gets its flavor from warm spices. Add paprika for color and mild heat. Add ground cumin for warmth. Add coriander powder for depth. Add a small amount of turmeric. Add salt and pepper to taste. Mix the marinade until smooth and fragrant. Add the sliced chicken into the marinade. Mix well so every piece is coated. Let the chicken marinate for at least 30 minutes. Heat a pan on medium heat with a little oil. Add the chicken gently into the hot pan. Cook slowly so the chicken stays juicy. Stir occasionally until cooked through. Let the chicken get lightly golden on the edges. You can cook vegetables the same way if you prefer vegetarian shawarma. Once cooked, turn off the heat. Shawarma is served in flatbread or pita. Warm the bread slightly so it becomes soft. Fresh salad adds crunch and freshness. Slice tomatoes into thin pieces. Slice cucumber thinly. Prepare fresh lettuce leaves. Shawarma is served with a creamy sauce. Add yogurt into a bowl for the sauce. Add garlic and lemon juice. Add a little salt and mix well. The sauce should be smooth and creamy. Now we assemble the shawarma. Place the cooked chicken in the center. Add fresh salad on top. Drizzle the creamy sauce generously. Roll the bread tightly into a wrap. Press gently so it holds its shape. Cut the shawarma in half for serving. Place the shawarma on a plate. Look at the juicy filling and fresh vegetables. Shawarma tastes great with fries or extra sauce. This meal is perfect for lunch or dinner. Vegetarian shawarma is equally delicious. Store leftover filling in the fridge. Reheat gently in a pan before serving. Homemade shawarma is fresh and satisfying. Your delicious homemade shawarma is ready to enjoy. You are watching 555 Cooking Ideas. If you enjoyed this recipe, please like the video. Subscribe for more simple recipes from around the world. Press the bell icon so you never miss a recipe. Thank you for watching and cooking along with me today. Take care, enjoy your meal, and see you again in the next delicious video from 555 Cooking Ideas.